At gyngred y gogledd ac ar ôl curo'r Seinta Newydd yng Nghwpan Nathaniel MG y penwythnos dwytha, roedd Penrhyn Coch yn croesawu bai Colwyn i Gau Baker a'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen wedi hanner awr diolchu ar gydnerthol y capten Tom Macready. A Macready gymerodd y gic gornel laniodd wrth draed Llyr Morris ac ynta'n dyblu mantais y gwylanod funud cyn yr egwyl. Wedi troi cic gornel fer y tro yma, Tom Macready'n cyfuno gyda Jack Higgins, a'r capten yn torri'n rhydd yn y cwrt cyn plannu iail am y prynhawn heibio Lee Jenkins. A daeth y bedwaredd yn y munudau ola wrth i gyn chwaraewr y Seinta Newydd Robbie Parry frwydro i ennill y bêl a'i gosod i Tom Creamer i rwydo gyda gergyd isel gywir.
It's important after the recent results that we've had in terms of the two defeats that we got something from today's game. I thought the way that our players went and applied themselves throughout the 90 minutes was a very professional performance, and to come here and score 4 goals is testament to them and testament to the hard work that they've put in since we've reported back really throughout the pre-season and throughout the start of the season.
Cleran Davies, dim y canlyniad o'ch chi eisiau heddi?
Na, canlyniad gwael, ond fi'n gweld sef yn esgus, ond gyda ni 7 neu 8 mas a tîm Bai Colwyn, maen nhw'n tîm da, so yeah, anodd ond edrych mlaen i wrthos nesaf nawr.
We'll do our best to be up there. This league is so close in terms of the quality of the teams. There's not a great deal between the teams in Tier 2 in the north and the south. You know, our aim is to be up there with the other teams, other clubs chasing, success this year. We'll do everything we can to do that, of course, but I wouldn't go out and pick one team as a favourite to win it at all. There's not a great deal between teams.